Alright, what's going on, everybody? So I am building the Birdies raised bed. As you can see here, I already secured the two end pieces. My bed is, I'm going for the option out of the 8 choices. This is an 8-in-1 bed. I'm going for the 2 foot wide by 8 feet long. So if you just simply put the two corners together, you get a 2 foot wide bed. Alright, so you can see the Phillips head part is on the outside. This is what everybody sees. And then on the inside, let's see if I get a good shot. On the inside, you have the nuts. So what I've been doing is I put the wrench on here, and with the drill on the Phillips head side, I drive it in. I go really slow when I'm driving them in, so I don't like bend or warp the metal. Just enough to get it tightened. Right? So now, as part of this build, to get it 8.5 feet, I got to do 2 short sides. So one short panel, I believe 23 inches, one short panel, 23 inches, and then 2 long panels followed by the following corners, right? So I have a short panel right here, as you can see. So this is 23 inches. And this one doesn't have any nicks on it, so I'm going to keep it on this side, which everyone's going to see. Alright, so I took the plastic off of this piece. I'm going to put it over the outside, line up the holes. Then I'm going to take a Phillips head piece, put it through, and then put the nut right on it. I'm just going to go finger tight, just to hold it in place so I can get the other screws in. It's pretty straightforward. You just need sort of like a space to do it on. You could do it on the ground. I decided to lift it up. I had a couple 2x8s or 2x10s lying down, so I just propped them on the sawhorse, so I don't have to like bend over the entire time I'm doing it. And it seems like it's going to be relatively easy to lift off of here. So once it's assembled together, once everything's tight, I don't think it should be a problem to carry it down. Alright, so on this side where the nut is, which is on the inside, and then the drill on the outside. So the wrench stops the nut from twisting. Also, when you're tightening, you want to make sure that the screw, the Phillips screw has a circle around it, sort of like a washer that's supposed to cover up the hole. You just want to make sure that it's covering the hole. If you don't mind a little gap, that's your call. So from this side, you put the screw in, and then from this side, you put the nut. So you put another one in. On that side. This really is, I enjoyed making the wood bed I made earlier, the 8x3. I love the way it looks, but like, I think this is going to be amazing on the ground. You don't have to make any cuts. You just have to decide like how you're going to want to lay it out. Look at that. That looks amazing. And there's still another length to go, so you can tell I'm going for the really long bed. Alright, I'm going to jump to the other side.